y'all? It's KahlasiaMonae, and I am so glad that you decided to tune in today. I create faith-filled videos to encourage you and inspire you to break free from what's holding you back so that you can step into all who God is calling you to be. If you feel like this is a space for you, stay right here, stay right here, stay right here. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to push that post notification bell so you can know each and every time that I post a video. Let's just jump straight into this video. You've been saying, God, where are you, God? Where are you, God? Where are you, God? I don't see you, God. Where are you? I don't feel you, God. Where are you? Where are you? Where are you? And God is saying, I am right here. God is saying, I am right here. God is saying, I am right here. God promised to never leave us nor forsake us, and his word will never return unto us void. His word is true. He is not a liar. He is not a man that he shall lie. God will never lie to us, although you may not feel like he's there, although you may not see him in your situations. He is right there with us. He is right there with us. So shake that off. Get that out of your system. Get that out of your mind. Get that out of your spirit. God is with you. You are never alone. You are never alone. When you feel like, oh my gosh, you're in a room filled with people and you still feel alone, you are not alone. You are not alone. I know life circumstances can cause us to feel like we're shrinking. Life circumstances could cause us to feel so small in a room with so many people. Life circumstances could weigh so heavy on us where we feel like we're all by ourselves. But I come to remind you that you are not alone. I come to inspire you that he is right there with you. I know sometimes you can't trace him. I know sometimes you question, God, where are you in this? I know sometimes you've been saying, God, I don't see you nowhere. And this is God is saying, I am right there. But this is something that you have to go through. This is a part of the process. And I know you're going to say, oh my gosh, but God, this process is just too much. I didn't ask for this. I didn't ask for this. I didn't ask for this. And God is saying, I know, but it's going to prepare you for where you need to go. It's going to give you the strength that you need for where you need to go. It's going to give you the zeal and the fire that you need for where you need to go. It's going to give you that that you need for where you need to go. I know it hurts. I know it hurts. I know it hurts, but I had to allow it. I know it hurts, but I allowed it. I know it hurts, but I had to allow it. But you got to hold on and know that I am with you. God is telling you, I am with you. God is telling you, I am with you. Even when you can't trace me, even when you don't feel me, I am there. I am God and I am omnipresent. I'm with you when you go there. I'm with you when you go there. I'm with you when you close your eyes. I'm with you when you wake up in the morning. I'm with you when you go to your doctor's appointment. I'm with you when you go into your kids' school. I am with you every step of the way. I'm with you. I am with you. I am God. I am your father. You're not a bastard. You're not a bastard. You're not a bandit. I would never abandon you. You're not alone. Write that down in the comment section below. I am not alone. I know as mothers, as women, as wives, sometimes we can feel alone. We can feel alone. In a world filled with so many people, we can feel alone. Life can be just life, and then you feel like, well, God, where are you? I know that you said that you're there, but where are you? I know that you said that you're there. Where are you? The time is ticking. The clock is ticking, and I'm waiting. You said wait, and I'm waiting. So I'm waiting, and I'm waiting, and I'm waiting, and I'm saying, God, where are you? God, where are you? God, where are you? God, where are you? And God is saying, I never left you. God is saying, I never left you. God is saying, I never left you. So you're looking at the time and you're saying, I'm waiting. You're looking at the time, but now you're doubting. You're looking at the time and now your faith is decreasing. You're looking at the time and now you're questioning. You're looking at the time and now you're doubting. And God said, do not. Do not, for I am with you. For I am with you. I am with you. Hold on to your faith when you feel like you don't have nothing else. I am your God. I know it doesn't feel good. I know it doesn't feel good. I know it doesn't feel good, and it may not even look good. But I am your God, and I promise I'm here. I am your God, and I promise I hear you. I am your God, and I promise I hear you. And just like Daniel, when Daniel prayed and Daniel fasted and Daniel just didn't know know, but he held on to his faith. He held on to what he believed in. And God said, I heard you the first time. Oh my gosh. God is saying, I heard you the first time. God is saying, I heard you the first time you opened your mouth. I heard you the first time you questioned me. I heard you the first time you decided to get down on your knees and pray. I heard you the first time. I am your God. I am with you. I am with you. I am with you. So when you feel alone, even with your children, you may feel alone. Even with your spouse, you may feel alone. Even when you're with your family, you may feel alone. And we have many reasons why we feel alone. We have different life circumstances that causes us to feel alone. But God is saying, no matter your situation, no matter your circumstance, no matter your problem, I am with you. So when you go throughout your day and you go throughout your life and it doesn't feel like it or doesn't look like it, when you go to work, oh my gosh, when you go to work, I am with you. When you go to the doctor, I am with you. When you're with your children, I am with you. When you're with your family, I am with you. No matter how hard the circumstance may be, no matter how hard the challenge may seem, I am your God. I am your God. I know you've been saying, God, I've been applying to the job and I'm getting rejected. I've been applying to the jobs and I'm getting rejected. I've been applying to the schools of my dreams and I'm getting rejected. I've been applying, God. I've been applying. Oh my gosh, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? And God is saying, oh my gosh, when I open a door, no man can close it. When I open this door for you, no man can close it. This is just a part of your process. Oh my gosh. This is just a part of your story. This is just a part of your journey. Oh my gosh. Just stick to it. Oh my gosh. Just go through it. Oh my gosh. Just go through it a little while longer. I promise you I'm here. I promise you I'm here. I've been there from the beginning. I'll be with you until the end. I've been there with you in the beginning. I'll be there with you till the end. Oh my gosh. Hold on, mother. Hold on, mother. Hold on, women. Hold on a little while longer. I promise God is with you. I promise he is with you. I know you've been saying, God, I show up for everybody. God, I show up for my children. I show up for my husband. God, I'm a good person. God, why is this happening? I'm a good person. I'm a good person. I'm a good person. I do all that you tell me to do. I abide by your word, God. And even when I don't, God, I repent, God, unto you. I even repent to you when I don't even know that I'm doing something that's out of your will, God. I repent to you. I feel like I'm a good person. I do everything that you told me to do. And God, I still feel like I don't see you. God, I still feel like you're not there. God, where are you? And I come to remind you that he's there. I come to remind you that you're not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone. You are not alone. It doesn't matter who walked away. It doesn't matter who left you there. It doesn't matter who turned their back on you. It doesn't matter who betrayed you. It doesn't matter. It does not matter. He's with you. He's with you. He's with you. He's been with you then and he'll be with you now. He's been with you then and he's with you now. He's been with you then. He'll be with you now. He'll be with you to the ends of the earth. Oh my gosh. He'll be with you to the ends of the earth. And even after that, you live in him. You'll see him again. You'll meet him again. Oh my gosh. You'll have everlasting life. So hold on to your faith knowing that you're not alone. Hold on to your faith knowing that you are not alone. I know it may feel like it. I know it may feel like it, but hold on. I know it may feel like it, but hold on. He's with you. He's with you. He heard your silent tears. He hears your heart. He hears your mind. He hears what you mumble even when you can't get the words out to pray. He hears you. Oh my gosh. He's your Father. He is your God. He created you. He hears you. Oh my gosh. My God, he hears you. So I pray that this video helps you. It encourages you to know that you can break free. You can break free from those things that try to keep you in bondage. He wants you to be in him and live life in him, totally and completely trusting and waiting on him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Share this video with your loved ones. I love y'all so much. Keep subscribing. Keep subscribing. Keep sharing. And I'll see y'all on the next video.